Hey everybody, Pierre Quinn here, and I teach emerging leaders how to courageously begin the journey to personal and professional transformation. And in this video, I got a confession to make. True confession. I really don't want these brownies. So let me explain. A couple of days ago, I was in the grocery store and I had this taste for some brownies. I walked down the aisle to pick up a box of brownie mix. Then the thought hit me, you have brownie mix at home. Save your money. I happily drove home with the thought of fresh brownies on my mind. When I got home, I quickly found the box of brownies and I started to process. Do I have everything that I need to make these brownies? Brownie mix, check. Oil, check. An egg, check. I have all the ingredients that I need to make the brownies. Now the question is, do I have the opportunity to make the brownies? Looking around the kitchen, there was no one else in there. My wife wasn't cooking anything. My kids weren't warming up food, and the oven was not set aside for cleaning purposes. You know, when you put that cleaning agent in the oven and you gotta wait a long time for it to sit and do its work so you can wipe it clean. None of that was happening. I was in the kitchen by myself. So not only do I have all the ingredients, I have every opportunity. The last part, that I wanna take the time and the energy to make the brownies. The truth is, I was more excited about the thought of brownies than I was about the work that it took to bring the brownies to life. I had all the ingredients necessary, I had every opportunity, but I wasn't willing to put forth the effort. So in all honesty, I really didn't want them. It happens to us. We say we want something so bad. Let's say you want to start a creative project, you want to write or make videos, and you're trying to figure out where can you find the best tools. Listen, if you're a writer, just about any computer will do, even the ones at the local library. And if you want to make videos, your phone is perfect for starting. We think that we need the brightest and best tools to get started, but in most cases, that's just an excuse. So not only do you have tools to get started where you are, you have opportunity. You want to be a writer, but no publisher is picking you up. But you have the opportunity to start your own blog, post to sites like Medium, or even Facebook and LinkedIn to share your creative content with the world. You want to produce great content that everyone watches? I mean, YouTube is the thing. You have the tools, you have the opportunity. Here's the big one. Are you gonna put the work in? Do you wanna just talk about brownies? Do you wanna think about brownies? Or do you wanna put the work in to make brownies? I mean, it's gonna take time, it's gonna take energy, it's gonna take effort. You're gonna have to rearrange your schedule. And putting the work in means getting rid of distractions. It means I need to stop scrolling and looking at pictures of other people's brownies and how they're enjoying them. I need to stop watching the HGTV programming and watching the immaculate kitchen and the beautiful tools. I need to stop being distracted and put the energy and effort in to the thing that I say that I want. We say we want to build, we say we want to create, we say we want better marriages, we say we want better health, we say we want to make a bigger difference in our community or make a greater contribution to our churches. For the most part, it has nothing to do with resources, it has nothing to do with opportunities, it has everything to do with putting your effort where your mouth is. If you're content to come up with every excuse in the world, if you're satisfied with complaining about how everyone else around you has better opportunities or better resources or better this and that, if you're okay with people who are less gifted and less talented than you doing the thing that you really want to do, well, just keep talking about it. But if you're not, put some work in. Because if you're not willing to put the work in, you have to question, do you really want it as bad as you say you do? I know for me, I still haven't made these brownies yet.